Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check in on American Airlines app. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to download the app. If you haven't done so, just go ahead and open up your Play Store or respective App Store. Alright, once you have it open, just go ahead and look for American Airlines. Once done, just hit on enter. Now once you have it located, click on the app and hit on install right here. Once you have it installed, just go ahead and click on open or tap on open. It will require you to log in and continue as a guest. If you have an account or you wanted to create an account, just go ahead and tap on login and create your account. All right. So just for this example, I'm going to go ahead and continue as a guest. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on this find trip right here. Input your first name and last name, and of course the confirmation code or ticket or credit number. Once done, just tap on search and the app will guide you to the check-in page. You will see a big button of check-in right there. Just go ahead and tap on that and follow the simple prompts to successfully check in. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.